Hi, my name is Dmytro, man. You ever heard about lightness, light spirituality? Always protect from darkness. Okay, go further. What if I will tell you that each personality have two sides, dark and light? And nobody understand what kind of personality right now is you, what kind of personality and spirituality in your friend, and how to check it. In the finish of that video, you will know how to check it, how to know about your own personality, about your own spirituality, what inside you, in real, lightness or darkness. With you, Dmytro, man, and we begin. Each person have two personality. It's like in cartoon, you remember in one shoulder sit something evil, some dark side, and another shoulder sit angel, and they always try to say to you something like you should do like that or like this. Now do like this and this, right? Like in cartoon. In real life, same. Each person have two sides of face. One side is dark side. We will call it evil side. And another side, it's an angel side, like a light side. We will call it angel side. And each person can turn to you by one side of face and begin speak with you by dark side or light side with you. Inside each person have two sides, darkness and lightness. How it's work? We should understand firstly what side inside person more developed than another one. Like it could be darkness more developed or lightness more developed. And if I will come to someone and will speak with some person, I can turn on my dark side and speak with him by dark side. And his dark side will answer to me and we will find connection. Or I can come to him and speak by my lightness side, by angel side. And he also will turn on his angel side and will find connection. We will find that connection, we will speak about it. It's like a wave, we connect to each other. Inside me, two sides. My angel side is more stronger, and my evil side, darkness side, now is sleepy. And if some person will ask me something and will speak with me by his darkness side, and I will answer to him by darkness side, then I will lose, because my darkness side not so strong as his. But if I will speak with him by my angel side so powerful. It's like a law of nature, law of system. He will answer to me by angel side too. And then in any dialogue, any dispute, any connection, I will win. Any conflict I will win. Because my angel side much powerful. Each person inside have two sides. And by some circumstances, if you will spend time for that development, by some circumstances you will see like which circumstances, which happens activate your darkness side or light side. And maybe some person or some circumstances activate your darkness side. I know what will activate my angel side. And also, here now, I want to tell you one secret. Two side is very good. It's very good. Because it's part of us. We personality, we person, we have darkness and lightness inside us. And then you can see like which part of you more developed. That part you should forget about it and begin focus on part which are still not developed. Begin developing that. And then you will see like when two sides of you become stronger and more powerful, your personality will become stronger and powerful too. And you will get that confidence and belief and faith in yourself and everything. Inside me more developed angel side, and darkness side is a weak, kind of weak, because it's sleepy. I'm not used it. It's activate only sometimes. And if some person will try to speak with me, have some conflict, he will win, because he always develop his dark side, and he will conflict with me by his dark side. And I will lose in that moment. But if I will turn on my angel side and will answer to him, it's like a law of system, right? He also will answer to me by angel side too. And as my angel side so powerful, then he will lose it. He will lose that fighting, or maybe some dispute or conflict he will lose. But some people who not control, who not consciously understand what's going on, they will answer to his dark side by their dark side. But now, if you know about your dark sides and light sides, and you will developing that, then you will know how to answer and how to win with people who will come to you from dark side. How you can develop the two sides? You should analyze yourself, which one side of you is more weak, which one more powerful, and begin to dispute with somebody, like make some conflict with somebody. And of course you will lose if your dark side is weak, right? Maybe you will lose sometimes, or maybe your angel side is weak, you will lose sometimes. But by that way, one step by one step, you will become to more stronger, more aware, more consciously understand everything, and it will make you stronger. You will adapt to that feeling, and then nobody will dispute with you, or maybe nobody don't want to fight with you anymore later, because you will develop two sides. Inside me, much more powerful, it's angel side, and I will always win in some discuss, or maybe some dialogue, or maybe some dispute. But my darkness, it's not powerful, so I should think about it and develop and begin developing that side inside me. And I hope somebody will watch that video and he also will see same what I see, and he will understand me, and how you can see that things and test in life. You can check your friends and you can notice, like sometimes your friend can be fluffy, so cool, so good, so shiny, and light go from him. But in another time, that friend can be angry, or maybe something not happy, in problem, or something like a kind of darkness inside him. It's his two sides. And you also have that two sides, and me too. Pay attention why in your friend wake up that darkness side. And next time when that darkness side will wake up in him, try to turn on your angel side, more powerful side, and speak with him by angel side. And then you will see, he also will connect with you by angel side, and you will win in that dialogue or dispute or anything. You can try that thing with many people, with different people on the street or somewhere, and try to test that thing. If somebody turn to you by darkness side, try to win by light side, and then you will see it's work really. So if you understand what I'm talking about, please share that video, smash like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel, and waiting new video. Bye bye and namaste.